37 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.0328083989 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.0328083989 by 37. Therefore, 37 centimeters times 0.0328083989 feet equals 1.213910761115 feet. So, in other words, 37 centimeters equals 1.213910761115 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.